Hooray! You finally came! I'm very glad. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within co-op menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button present. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. To understand all the points, you'd better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed to work in clear sky. On my second channel, Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.